So we're approaching the roundabout, Brianna, and this time we want to take the left exit. So I want you to check your mirrors, make sure it's safe to blinker left to switch lanes. Check your blind spot, away you go. Great. And if you look at the black signs with the white arrows in it, we want to take the left exit. So notice how the left sign says we are in the only lane that can go left. So once again, we are confirming there aren't any pedestrians, and we may continue through providing there are no vehicles. Great. Stay on the inside lane. Check your right blind spot, blinker right. No pedestrians, we're happy. Excellent. Great job.